In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to the Google Admin Console. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, move to the address bar at the top of the window and type admin.google.com, then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the Google Admin Sign-In page. Make sure you enter the web address carefully so you land on the correct official login screen. When the sign-in page appears, you'll be asked for your administrative email address. This should be the full email used for your admin account. Enter it in the field provided, then continue to the next screen. Take a moment to confirm that the address is typed correctly, since even a small typo can prevent you from accessing the account. Next, enter your admin account password in the password field. As you type, remember that passwords are case sensitive, so uppercase and lowercase letters must be entered exactly as intended. After entering your password, click the next button to continue. If you're signing in on a shared or public device, be especially careful not to save your login details in the browser. Depending on your organization's security settings, you may also be prompted to complete a secondary two-factor authentication check. If that happens, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. This could involve approving a prompt on another device, entering a verification code, or completing another approved security method. This extra step helps protect administrative access and is a normal part of the login process. Once your identity has been verified successfully, you'll be taken into the Google Admin Console. On the main screen, you should now see your Operational Management Panel dashboard. This dashboard is the central place where administrators manage users, settings, devices, apps, and other organizational controls. At this point, you're signed in and ready to begin working in the admin environment. Before making any changes, it's always a good idea to take a quick look around the dashboard